Hello everybody, this is Karen Allen D. Polina and welcome to my first vlog. Today I'm gonna make face mask and face shield out of recyclable materials. Face mask and face shield is important nowadays because of the coronavirus. I'm gonna use recyclable materials like this plastic bottle, this sponge, this ribbon, and these old socks of mine that are small ones. But why do we need to recycle materials? So that we cannot keep on spending money and to save Mother Earth. Remember, we would save Mother Earth because it is where we live and it is our home. So first, I'm going to make the mask. This is how you fold it to here and look at here. Now I'm going to cut it into half. So now this is the piece that we have cutted. Now we're gonna cut into half again. So I'm cutting it now. So here it is. Fold it again and cut a little bit. But if your ears are too big, then you can make the hole bigger. Now get it out. Now stretch it a little bit and your face mask is complete. So let me wear it. And the face mask is done. Now I'm gonna make the face shield. So we already cut the plastic bottle and make sure it fits your face, and we also cut the sponges. And we put 2 holes on the 2 sides so that we can put the ribbon in it. And the sponges, we're just gonna put it right here on the top. Ta-da! This is the face shield that is done. So in order to wear it, you just need to adjust it and tie it in your back. So I don't know how to tie it in my back, so I'm just gonna try.